Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one notification that I just uploaded a brand new video. It's something I use and I enjoy because I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath this video, it's important for everybody to help out this channel for it to grow. It's that thumbs up. That thumbs up is found right underneath this video. If you press it, it will turn blue and the number will increase. And then supposedly YouTube will then take my videos and place them in front of other people that just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for helping me grow, and that thumbs up is how you can do that for me. All right. Today I'm really excited to share with you, we got the box for November 2020. This is one box that's really special to me. I was able to get this box early on. I think I ended up getting the second box. The first time that I heard about it or saw it, I immediately went on the wait list. I thought it was a really unique box. I'm grandfathered in at $19.99. The box now is $24.99, which is also really shows you this company is really a nice company, because they saw the people that helped them get the word out, and they grandfathered us in on that price. So that's why I'm still at $19.99. But if this box was $24.99, I would still show it on my channel. I'm really impressed with this box, and what I like about it is he works with a lot of indie brands. He seems to like a lot of cruelty-free, and he also likes to also put in products that we're familiar with as well. So it really is that mixture of what I think boxes are fantastic about. So a card always comes in with all the information. He also gives you the total value of the card, and it's $205. Also, when I first started the channel, and because he was just starting his box, he was the only company that I really reached out to say, I'm new, you're new, is there a discount code that I can offer some of my viewers and things like that. So he did give me a code, which I will leave down below. I think it's about 20% off. I don't receive any dollars or anything that I know of, because I never have from this company. So it's what I like is that their website is really beautiful. They have a lot of the same products that are on Sephora, but that 20% code is all the time. And they also have a segment on their website that's also with influencers that they work with, that is their products. It's just a really unique website, and I really suggest that you should take a look. But that code, I'm sure, does not work on the box, but it's a code, and if you see something, try it, and hopefully you'll be able to get 20% off. All right. Okay. The items that are on this box, what they wrote, it's called Give Thanks. And he has here, it's the season of giving. We give thanks to each and every one for you for subscribing to our box, tagging, sharing, and telling all your friends about us. Keep an eye on your socials for the big holiday sale announcement. So like everybody, they're going to also have some sales as well. The first item that was featured, and the only thing that I saw any sneak peek, because I really haven't been on social media a lot. We're so busy with so many really cool things that we're doing here that my time is really limited on being able to watch on YouTube, but mainly also to catch up on Instagram. But I did see this, and this brought back some memories that I knew when I first started getting boxes. This was one that I personally remember getting because it was such a unique palette. So this one I'm going to leave in my gift area, and I went searching because I do have a box that's filled with palettes that either I've just swatched and didn't use, or products that I didn't even swatch. They were just products that I was going to leave in that area that one day I would try. And this is one of those. So this one, I'm going to read you the information that's on the card. We're going to open it up, but I don't even think I swatched this one, so I'm probably still not going to, but I'm going to show you how beautiful and unique this product is. It is Laura Sanchez makeup. It is a $25 palette. It says it's a versatile palette with matte and metallic shades. It's perfect to create endless combinations. It's made in the USA, and it is cruelty-free. This is the back of the palette. This is the sleeve. And what is marked on here is that it's distributed by Laura Makeup, which I think is her own. And it says it's South Miami, Florida, but it's made in China. And that's it. And then this is what the beautiful palette looks like. And I'm hoping the camera picks up that mood. It kind of has really this cool sensation to it. And then this is the back of it. It's a really, really unique palette. And there is a full mirror in here. And like I said, the plastics is still even scotch taped in. So I know that I didn't use this one yet. So this is what the colors look like. They are just stunning. They're very bold. They're very, and then I think these are two shimmer shades, and it comes with a dual-ended brush. But like I said, we received so many palettes. This was one that I put aside because this to me looks like a palette that you would need another palette to kind of create a look. And for me at this time, this is not one that I reached for, but I kept it because the colors were so unique and so beautiful that I wanted to make sure that I kept it in my stash. But now I have a second one that I know I'm going to be able to share and keep it in that giveaway area. So I'm happy that I have this to at one point play with, but I haven't done it yet. All right, the next item that we got was a second palette. And this one is from Dominic Paul, and it is a stunning, stunning palette. And it has this really unique packaging to it. It looks really exciting. And this one is also cruelty-free. It's vegan friendly, and this one is made in England. And this one, what they wrote is it is a contour palette, and there's a $40 value on this. And it says it can be used as eyeshadow, bronzers, or setting powders to sculpt and shade your eyes, your cheekbones, your nose, and your jawline. It's also, like I said, cruelty-free and vegan. So let's see if there's a mirror in here, and there is. And there is also a safety shield, but it's not stuck in, so I can pull that off to give you guys a better, closer look. And this is how stunning this is. I just received a couple of palettes like this, so I'm not going to swatch this one right now because I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with it, but this is beyond stunning. So it's got the banana powders, it's got the under eye, it has your contour, and then your deeper ones that you could use as bronzer. So if I do end up playing with this, I will share with you my thoughts on it, but I think this is beyond stunning. All right, the next one is from Susanmenyc. And this is a really unique product. It is called Simply Even. It is a tone perfecting butter. It is a $24 value. It says gently and soothing blend of shea, cocoa, and mango butters to be used on both the face and the body for healthy, radiant skin. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. But that's not giving us a lot of information. So let's see what is written on the box. It says vitamin A and E and meadow foam seed oil. And then on the side here, they have all the ingredients on the back here, and then they have nothing here, but they have some information here that I'm going to read, because when I took it out, because I take everything out to take pictures before we film, there's no information at all on here except for the sticker of the product. So this says it is a gentle solution for healthy, radiant skin. It is a blemish buster that contains a moisturizing blend of shea and cocoa butter that are rich in fatty acids to help improve the quality and texture of your skin. It's fortified with vitamin E, wheat germ oil, helps minimize imperfection and reveal and smooth even tone complexion. It's free of parabens and 100% natural, and it simply even leaves your skin glowy and soft. I'm going to have to do a little more research on this guy, but we'll open her up to see what she's all about, because I really don't know how to use this. And that's why I always keep cartons when there's no information on here so that I know how to use it. And I'm finding a lot of times on the card, the information doesn't really tell us how to use products. And I found a lot of times when I started to use the product, and while the product's on my face, I'm starting to read, and it says they could wash off or keep on. So now I'm always reading before we get started, because like I said, the information on the card for me is never enough. Oh, this smells really, really nice. You can smell all the shea butters and things like that. So I will lift her up a little bit so you guys can see the consistency of it, but I'm not going to put my hands into it until I know exactly how I'm going to use it. So really, really happy to get this, but like I said, I'm a little in the dark of exactly how to use this because it's saying face and body. All right, the next item that we got is from 3 Graces, and this is what it looks like here. And it says it's a hydrating lip treatment, and it's an $18 value. It's saying it's the ultimate lip rejuvenator. It blurs fine lip lines and restores the lip's delicate barrier for soft, plump lips all day. And it's also made in the USA, and it is also cruelty-free. You see what I'm saying? It's like really, the fact that he's able to get these type of products, which I think are really exciting and made in the USA, and still being able to keep it at the price point that he does for us, I think is just amazing. So this has that angle that is always easy to put these products on. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit up so we could see. Yeah, it's a clear consistency lip product. So really happy to get that. And I always like to keep these beside my bed to moisturize my lips at night. The next item I'm really excited is in here, and this one is from a brand that I got introduced to from Ipsy, the Ultimate Box, which I'm going to miss, but I'm happy that they're also making it quarterly, so I think a lot more people will be able to have access to it. But I've got introduced to so many fantastic skincare brands from that box. This one is from DR.Botanicals, and like I said, I've tried a lot of his products, but not this one, so I'm really excited about this. This is the Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. It's a refreshing facial cleanser with powerful hydrating capacity and omega acids that remove any excess sebum on the skin. It's vegan and cruelty-free. So really, really excited to get this. And let's see here. And they're saying, sorry, this one is a $10 value. So it has that safety seal, which I will try to lift off. Oh, did good. Oh, it smells like sweet watermelon. And it's a cleanser, so you can see the bubble coming up. So really excited to give that a try. So happy. And then the last three items he has separately written on the card, and they're from that brand called LaRuceBeauty. And I've gotten this a few times in some major kits from Ipsy. It's an exceptionally expensive brand of brushes. And like I said, they're so luxurious and so pretty. I'm going to leave them in the packaging because if they are duplicates of ones that I currently have, once again, that will go into a different area. So they have the angled shading brush. That's $28, and they're saying this versatile angled brush effortlessly blends, smudges, and smokes powder or cream eyeshadows, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. The second one they're saying is a $28 brush, and they're saying it is a tapered blending brush, and you can use that to create soft diffused eye contour, best used for powder products and eyeshadow. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. And then the last one they're saying is an angled brush, and that's $32. And it's used to apply your favorite cream and powder to highlight or revive your routine all year long, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. So I pushed it up from the bottom here so you could at least see what the product looks, the bristles look like. They are so soft and beautiful, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So once again, as I think we did fantastic. We got a full eyeshadow palette with highlighters. We got a full face contour and lightening powder. We got a product that is for the face and the body, but I think it's intriguing me because it's saying blemish, and it has shea butters and oils in it. So I really want to read more about it because I'm a combo girl, and those two things never went together. So I want to read more about that. And we got a lip product. We got a cleanser for the face, and then we got these three really high-end brushes from LaRuce. So like I said, to me, this is a winner box. I always love the opportunity to share it with you guys on my channel. And like I said, this is the box from November 2020. It's $24.99 for anyone new that's starting. I will leave everything linked down below about the discounts and the link to if you're interested in even looking into it. I'll try to leave that all linked above because what I do on my description box is I put the newest information on top, but anytime I get boxes or I have any discount codes, you just have to scroll to the bottom of my description box, and I try to put it in alphabetical order, all the boxes, all the links and things like that. So if you're interested in anything, always check there, because as I grow and I get links or I get discounts, I make sure to put them all down below in the lower half of the description box. All right, once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me. It means everything. But more importantly, during this time, we still have to make sure to continue to be safe, to be able to stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.